marami rin tayo may sleeves para hindi kayo masyadong nakalitaw yung balikat. Ayan, marami rin may bet ng sleeves. Medium large po ulit. Meto large for this one. Hello sa ating 88,000 viewers. Ayan, send kayo ng name, address, contact number before mag-mine, ha? Okay, for this one, Pinky. Pinky for 350 pesos. New look ang brand. Original, new look, authentic, new look. For this one, code natin is medium. Size is med to large. Ay, sorry, large XL pala to. Large XL. Code natin is pink. 350 pesos. Large XL. Ang ganda nito.
Yours na po si Green, Madam Ana Bion.
Light blue pang small and med. Pwede pang wedding. Ay, ano? Pwede pang attend ng wedding po. Light blue daw. Light blue.
Okay po.
Small, medium. Go, my love. Ito, brand new with tag. Super nice. Ito, branded by Vogue. Ano ba to? Hirap ano? Violet. Branded by Violet Romance. Size natin is small, medium. Medium, saktong-sakto. Ayan, napakaganda, my love. Grabe to. Overlap po ang style niyan, bebe love. Pwede to sa padede, ma'am. Overlap. So, pwedeng naka-open, pwedeng medyo close. Okay, for this one, code natin is Violet. Size natin for this one is medium to large. Sobrang ganda ng quality. Chiffon and tela. Code is Violet. Nasa 5K to original price yata or nasa 4.2. Ganyan. 4,200 mga ganyan original price. Pero sa akin, 420 pesos. 450, sorry po. 420. Wala pala akong 450. 450 pesos code natin ay over. Over 450, over 450.